Myself, R. Khute, Assistant Professor, Government TCL PG College, Jangir Champa, MSc second semester, subject Advanced Discrete Mathematics, paper 5th, topic Finite State Machine. Today discuss finite state machine, where information processing machine. An information processing machine is a device that receives a set of input signals and produces a corresponding set of output signal. Input signal, information processing machine, and this is output signals. Example, a table lamp is an information processing machine with the input signal being either up or down position of the switch, and the output signal being either light or dark. Today finite state machine definition. A finite state machine capital M is specified by a six tuple capital SI, capital I, capital O, small f, small g, small 0, where first capital S is a finite set of states. Capital S is equal to small s0, s1, s2, s3, and whose elements are called state of the machine. Second, small s0 is a special element of S, capital S, called initial state of the machine. 3. Capital I is equal to small I1, small I2, small I3, and is a finite set of input letters. 4. Capital O is equal to small o1, small o2, small o3, and then is a finite set of output letters. 5. Small f is a function from capital Si cross I to capital S called the transition function. 6. Small g is function from capital S to capital I called the output function. At any instant, a finite state machine is in one of its states. The machine is in the initial state S0. Now, finite state machine, a given example, let capital S is equal to small s0, s1, s2, and capital I is equal to 0, 1, or capital O is equal to 0, 1, and two functions small f and small g are given by a table called state table. Here table state S0, small s0, small s1, s2, here three states. Input 0, 1, here S1, small s1, small s2, small s2, input 0, and input 1, s0, s1, s2. State s0, s1, s2, corresponding output 0, 1, 1. Then capital M is equal to capital S, capital I, capital O, small f, small g, small 0 is a finite state machine. Given example, let given states capital S0 is equal to small s0, s1, s2, and capital I is equal to 0, 1, and capital 0 is equal to 0, 1. F and G are two given function. In the above table, the double arrow pointing at S0 indicates that S0 is the initial state of the machine. Thus, the machine Capital M begins in state S0, which has an output of 0. Here S0, state S0 which has an output of 0. The transition function small f is specified in figure where the state in the intersection of a row corresponding to state SP and a column corresponding to input symbol IQ is the value function SPIQ. Suppose the first input is 0. Here suppose first input is 0, then the next state of the machine is S1. Here state S0, the first input is 0, then the next state S1 and the output function small g gives the output gs1 is equal to 1. Further, if next input symbol is 1, then the machine remains in state S1 with output 1. If input is the sequence of symbols 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 starting from left, then it can be seen that we get output 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Note that the initial 0 from left of the output string is not the result of any input. Here state graph of machine, then state S0 input 0, then output is 0. यहाँ पर here S0, S1, S2, the state of the machine, state S0 begins input 0, then output is 0, or here state S0 input 1, then S0 to S0. Here मतलब ये self looping, this is self looping. S0 input 0, then next state S1. Now we see state S1 input 0, the next state S2 here state S1 input 0, the next state S2, and the state S1 input 1 to next state S1. here यहाँ पर here the input state S1 input 1 to this is self looping S1 tending to 1. This is self looping. Here state S2 input 0, then this is self looping 0. Then state S2 input 1, then 1, then next state is S0, then output is 0. State graph of machine. We can describe a finite state machine with the help of directed graph also. Here this finite state machine described with help of directed graph also. In this directed graph, each vertex corresponds to a state of a machine. The output associated with a state written below the state name. The transition function, also called next state function, is described by directed edge of the graph labeled with the corresponding input letters. The directed graph describing a finite state machine is called a state graph. Here, mm, finite state graph, state S0, S1, S2, input 0 corresponding to 0, then S0, next state S1, and state S0, input 1 to 1 to state S0 self looping. This is output, have a output 0. This finite state machine is called a state table.